This video will demonstrate the process of registering for self-service password reset. Have you ever spent your whole morning on the phone trying to reset your password? With SSPR, you can reset your password or unlock your account without having to speak to a person. Before you can use this feature, you must register a few authentication methods your administrator has decided. To do this, go to aka.ms/SSPR setup. As you can see here, Bianca will sign in with her organization account. On the registration page, it will ask you to verify two authentication methods. Bianca will start with the email address. Click on Set It Up Now. Enter another email address not associated with this account and click on Email Me. This will send a verification code to that second email account. Copy the code found in that email. Go back to the registration page, paste the code, and click on Verify. Next, Bianca will verify her cell phone number for authentication. Note that her administrator has already populated the number in Azure AD. She can click on Text Me to receive a code on her cell phone. Enter the code, click on Verify, and then click on Finish. Congratulations! The user is now signed up for self-service password reset.